tingnan mo sila, oh. Ay, mag-sharing kayo. Tingnan niyo po. $7.99. Hindi naman sa nakita ni daddy niya. Yung mga pusa niya na mga babies. Oh, nakabili. Did you buy something, Han? So today, me and hubby will be going to PetSmart and buy our little babies, our babies, their food. Why are you so grumpy? You're hungry? That's how a hungry person is. So I have to go find a restaurant that has a vegan. So guys, balik kami dito sa Bloom. Kakain kami ulit dito sa Bloom Thai Cuisine. So, okay guys, I'm back here at Bloom Thai Cuisine, and remember the time that I vlogged this restaurant, and the nice thing that the reason why I want to eat here is because they have a vegan food, and so I have to choose vegan because of my Daniel's fasting. And Lance will have his red curry. Oh, I cannot eat this one. They have the chili and paisa. Kaya lang hindi ako makakain kasi may laman na ibang ano to. May sugar. So for my lunch, I'm having a vegan. This is all vegetable, and I had the tofu like that. I'm gonna miss their pork belly side. There you go. And then have the fried veggie roll. So it's my first time to taste their stir fried, and I choose tofu. As usual, masarap. Yung nga lang meron siyang matamis. Iiwasan ko itong kakainin ko lang yung gulay. Tapos, may sauce ito. Hindi ko kakainin kasi may sugar. Diba, part of my fasting is may sugar. It's good. I love it. May can be masarap po. Ang laman niya, carrots, tsaka may cabbage. Tsaka talaga pang vegan talaga to. He's gonna eat his own. Yes, he has the red curry. Ito po yung red curry nila. So they got mushroom.
Oh yeah, that's the white.
Yeah, dico molto molto dico.
No, lights are definitely bottom of
Makain asawa ko ng kanin. Mahilig din po siya ng kanin. Naku, may peanuts pa. Gusto ko sana yung papaya salad. Kaso, may matamis. PetSmart, and we're gonna go buy food for our fur babies. Yes! Tapos na pagkain nila. So mommy and daddy will go buy them food, and daddy's going there now. So here we enter the PetSmart. And look at Han, they have look, honey, here, honey. Ay! Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. They have a car. Anyway, I want to buy one like this for the office. The fish tank, that's already sold. I want the, it's already sold. This one's this big, just this big. Look at this. Bahala ko po kasi bumili ng fish tank. Kala ni Belgian, siya lang mahilig mag-alaga ng isda. Ako din. Napakaingay nitong cart ko. So, tingnan niyo po. May balak talaga akong bumili ng fish tank. Tahimik lang ako, no? So, talaga tingnan natin. Pero maganda rin itong mga... No, not there, honey. Ganda, oh. Ganda rin ng mga ibon. Ang dami nila. Nakakatawa. Ako si Daddy. Gusto bumili ng toy. Are you buying a toy? Ha? Oh. Hahanap si Daddy ng ng kanilang toys. Tingnan mo mga toys ng... Ito mga toys. Toys na ng mga pusa, ha? Tingnan niyo po. $7.99. Yun naman sa nakita ni Daddy niya. It's only $4.99. Mura lang naman. Yun ang mga laruan nila. Ito mga laruan ng mga pusa. I put a lot of toys in there. Do you know? Remember they have a box? Dami rin toys mga pusa. It's about time for us to change their kitty litter. Look at that behind you. That's their kitty litter. Scoop Free Crystal Pro. How much is this? Oh, they got $300. This is not nice. With that, it has to be open. Just like this one. Feeder to. Meron na po sila nito. Yung mga pagkain din sila. Yan. Kitty litter. Nearest. Ayan ang daddy nila. Maybe this one, honey. Like this. It's not open. Huh? What we had is something like this. With this flip-flop litter pan. No, that is a closed one. Ours has an open. It's an open door. This is where we're gonna buy their food. See that Royal Canine? Royal Canine. But they don't like the... Thunder doesn't like the... But they like the what do you call this? The dry food. We're gonna buy... Ito na po. Ay, hindi, chicken and liver. Pwede. Ayaw nila to. Ayaw nila. Gusto nila yung mga ganto-gantong pagkain. Oh, ito. Beef. Maarte din kasi yung pusa ko eh. Ito to. Beef entree. Ito. Ayaw talaga nila ng pate. Ang tawag dyan, pate. Ito to. Ay, hindi sila pwede. Si snowflake, pwede sa salmon. Pero hindi siya pwede si tundan. Hindi siya pwede sa... That's turkey and vegetable. I have to go find more of this. We have to go get this one. The dry food. Maine Coon. Alam niyo po magkano to? $48.99. And can you put it there? And then I have to go find the one that they like to eat. Meron pa isa eh. Wala na. There's one. Aside from the Maine Coon. Wala. They don't have it. The other one. Oh my goodness. Indoor. This one, honey. This one. Indoor. I. Can you get that one, honey? No, not that one. This one, that one. And that's almost $39.99. Grabe mapusa. Okay, that's the food for our 2 cats. Daddy will pay for it. Wala akong are you gonna buy something, Han? Cute. Ngayon lang siya nakapunta dito. Ako madalas napupunta dito. Tingnan niyo po. Cat wet. Yan po ang mga... Dito ako madalas bibili ng pagkain. Kasi ito po yung Sa kabila ay mga aso. Ito naman po mga aso. Gusto ko dito sa PetSmart. Ay! Oh, there's also a canine. Oh, ito yung ano. Yung mga... Royal Canine na ano to, diet. Tingnan nyo. Meron ding Royal Canine Veterinary Diet. Meron Pro-Plan Veterinary Diet din ng mga pusa. Kakatawa. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga tinda-tinda dito. Para sa mga aso. Wala masyadong ano dito. Ay, teka. Ikot-ikot pa ako. Oh, yan. Para sa mga aso to. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kung mga pet lovers kayo. Ayan, mas marami pong laruan ang aso kaysa sa pusa. Tingnan nyo po kung laruan nila. Grabe, no? Pwede rin laruin to ng mga bata, eh, oh. Tingnan nyo. Tapos, meron din sila mga damit-damit at to, oh. Ayan, kita yung damit. Valentine's na kasi, kaya yan ang ano, yan ang next. Saan na asawa ko? Saan na napunta yun? Ayan. Bumalik na naman siya dito. Talagang gusto niya bilhan yung mga pusa niya na mga babies. Oh, nakabili. Did you buy something, Han? Nabili siya ng laruan. Bumalik siya. Kala ko nasa likod ko siya para magbayad na itong pinamili namin. Pala hindi pa siya. Okay, while waiting, ako parang gusto ko rin mag-alaga. Pwede lang malaki-laki ang bahay ko. Oy, tingnan mo sila. Oh. Oy, mag-sharing kayo. Oo, sharing. Very good. Very, very good. Very good. Tapos yung mga ano hinihintay niyo dyan? Ano kayo? Hinihintay niyo? Pasko. Tapos na ang Pasko. Mag-New Year na. Ang ginagawa niyo dyan? Ang buti pa yung isa, oh. Masyado siyang masipag, naglilinis. At saka ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ay, nakakatuwa talaga naman. Nakakatuwa. Oh yes, honey, hold on. I feel so, ay, look at it. Nagliligawan pa sila. Ay, may third party. Ala.